Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color a heart puppet. It's super easy, and we'll do it step by step together. Are you ready? Let's start drawing. First, let's draw a big heart shape just like this. Wow, doesn't it look adorable already? Next, we draw a few straight lines across the heart, going from one side to the other. These lines will help us divide the heart into puppet rows. Then we draw lots of small circles, evenly spaced along the lines. Each one is a little pop, 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 pop. They look like yummy bubblegum, don't you think? I really love the heart shape. It's so pretty and makes me feel happy inside. And of course, I love playing with puppet toys too. They make such fun sounds and help me relax after a long day. Now it's time to color. Let's color together. We can use bright rainbow colors to make our puppet heart super fun and cheerful. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Which one is your favorite? You're doing such a great job. Your heart puppet looks amazing. If you enjoyed drawing with me today, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so we can draw together again soon. Thanks for watching, my little artists. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.